you have to do is pull these clips, and then you can just pull the whole thing back. So I'm just going to get rid of both of these clips right here. You really only need to get rid of 2 clips. One on top, one right by the tail light. With that, you can actually pull the whole thing back. Just enough to basically unscrew these 3 bolts and unplug the wire. So there's just a little wire harness, unplug, and then just unscrew these 3 bolts, and it slides right out. Okay, so I'm just unscrewing these 3 bolts. I know there's, can't really get a good angle of it, just know there's 3 bolts here. Make sure you don't drop these bad boys. The one right at the top. They're not torqued very tight, so keep that in mind when you're installing them as well. To take off the light, all it requires is some little bit of back and forth movement, and you can just push it out. And you want to slide it this way. Slide it out this way. And there you go. Let's pop in the new one. So here's the new one. So wrapped pretty good. I like to keep it wrapped, but I peel it just enough so I can peel it off. That way the lens doesn't get scratched during installation. Just peel it just enough. Just do that way. Same kind of process and the opposite. So you want to put it in and slide it in there. No, don't forget to remove these 3 clips. Also very important. These are used probably to protect it during shipping. And then we just kind of screw it in. Three screws. Just plug it back in. That's it. There's also the sequential blinker that we're going to work into. So this wire right here, we're going to have to wire it to the fuse box. Okay, that's good. Let me help you push.
What's that?
This is the wiring that goes from the front all the way to the tail lights. So, looks like I gotta untangle this. It wasn't as simple as just unraveling it, unfortunately for me. But it's not like tangled or anything, it just, I guess it is tangled. Some wiring and then we'll be able to roll. Alright, so here's the same wire. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna crimp in that add a fuse. I don't have a crimp tool, so I'm just gonna use a needle nose. So there's a little switch right here. You can barely see it, but you can see it right there. Just click like this. From normal, click that switch the other way, and it goes sequential. Very cool. I mean, probably go with a cooler feature. I'm about that. Yeah, that's about it. Reinstall your panels, and you should be good.